Bollywood's favorite couple, Katrina Kaif and Vicky Kaushal, recently welcomed their baby boy, and fans just can't keep calm. The couple announced the good news on 7th November, leaving the entire internet smiling. The best part, both Katrina and the little one are healthy and already back home. But while fans eagerly wait to see the newborn, a viral photo has taken social media by storm. The picture, shared by a Katrina fan page, shows Katrina and Vicky posing with their baby, with Veena Kaushal, Vicky's mom, lovingly holding her pota. However, here's the twist, the picture isn't real. It's actually an AI-edited version of an old family photo Katrina posted back in 2022. That original picture was shared on Mother's Day, when the Zero actress wished her Sasu Ma with a sweet family moment. Someone digitally added a newborn to recreate a fresh-looking family portrait. Despite the confusion, what's real is the happiness the couple shared in their official announcement. In a heartfelt joint statement on Instagram, they wrote, "Our bundle of joy has arrived. With immense love and gratitude, we welcome our baby boy." 7th November 2025. Katrina and Vicky. The message lit up the internet instantly. Celebrities like Kareena Kapoor, Varun Dhawan, Priyanka Chopra and many more poured in their warm wishes for the new parents. This baby marks a special chapter in their journey. After secretly dating for almost 2 years, Vicky and Katrina tied the knot in 2021. Their intimate wedding in Savai Madhopur, Rajasthan, was nothing short of dreamy, just close family, close friends, and a lot of love. And now, 4 years later, the couple is embracing parenthood for the first time. So while we wait for the official first glimpse of baby Kaushal, one thing's for sure, the love pouring in for the new parents is absolutely heartwarming. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bollywood actor Parineeti Chopra and her husband, politician Raghav Chaddha, have finally revealed the name of their baby boy nearly a month after his birth. The couple welcomed their first child on October 20, 2025 and shared the happy news on Instagram with a heartwarming message. "He's finally here, our baby boy, and we literally can't remember life before." Well, fans had been eagerly waiting for more details about the newborn, and now the wait is over. Parineeti and Raghav shared a serene picture on Instagram, giving fans a first glimpse of their baby and revealing his beautiful name. Well, their joint caption read, "Jalasya Rupam Premasya Swarupam Tatra Iva Neer." Our hearts found peace in an eternal drop of life. We named him Neer, pure, divine, limitless. The post was quickly flooded with congratulatory messages from friends and fellow celebrities. Well, Gauhar Khan commented, "Congratulations!" while Bharti Singh wrote, "Allay." Fans across social media also called the name Neer both beautiful and meaningful. Well, Parineeti and Raghav got engaged in May 2023 at Kapurthala House in New Delhi. They later tied the knot in September 2023 at the Leela Palace, Udaipur, in a traditional ceremony attended by close friends and family. The couple announced their pregnancy in August 2025 with a simple joint Instagram post showing them holding hands captioned with a heart emoji. And now as Parineeti and Raghav step into this new chapter as parents, fans can't stop admiring baby Neer. From the meaningful name to the first glimpses shared online, this little bundle of joy has already captured everyone's hearts. Well, congratulations to Parineeti Chopra and Raghav Chaddha on their newborn Neer. We can't wait to see more adorable moments from their journey as a family.
There's something special about the bond between Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan, and their latest video has left fans smiling from year to year. The superstar duo recently came together for a wedding in Delhi, and the visuals from the celebration are nothing short of magical. Viral clips show the two Khans greeting each other with a warm, heart-melting hug, reminding everyone why their camaraderie is adored across generations. But the biggest highlight of the evening was watching Salman and SRK groove together to the iconic O Jaane Jana. Yes, the same hit track from Salman's Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya. What made the moment even sweeter was seeing King Khan flawlessly remember the steps, adding to the charm of the reunion. The internet was quick to react, flooding social media with love and nostalgia. One fan gushed, "Love how Shah Rukh knows the steps to Salman's songs," while another asked, "How does SRK remember all the steps?" Their unbeatable bromance once again stole the spotlight. The celebrations didn't stop there. Shah Rukh and Salman reportedly danced to more iconic hits and were also seen warmly greeting the bride and groom. Actress Janhavi Kapoor is also said to have performed at the same wedding, making the event even more star-studded and memorable. As for what's next for the two megastars, both have major releases lined up. Salman Khan is gearing up for a powerful role in Apoorva Lakhia's Battle of Galwan, a film based on the 2020 Indochina clash. The project, which also features Chitrangada Singh, began shooting earlier this year in Leh Ladakh. Reports suggest the film is targeting a June 2026 release. Meanwhile, Shah Rukh Khan is set to make a grand return to the big screen next year with King, directed by Siddharth Anand. The highly anticipated film will mark Suhana Khan's Bollywood relaunch and features an impressive ensemble cast including Deepika Padukone, Rani Mukherjee, Abhishek Bachchan, Jaideep Ahlawat, Raghav Juyal, and Abhay Verma. The first glimpse of King was unveiled on SRK's birthday earlier this month, and fans are eagerly awaiting more. Bollywood actor Arbaz Khan and his wife, makeup artist Shura Khan, have given fans a first glimpse of their newborn daughter, Sipara Khan. The couple, who welcomed their baby girl on 5th October, shared heartwarming images capturing her tiny hands and feet. Alongside the adorable clicks, the new parents wrote, "The tiniest hands and feet, but the biggest part of our heart #Sipar Khan." The first image shows Arbaz and Shura gently holding their daughter's tiny feet, while the next captures the little one holding her father's thumb, a moment that melted hearts online. On 8th October, the couple revealed the name of their daughter in a joint post, introducing her as Sipara Khan. They wrote, "Welcome baby girl Sipara Khan. With love Shura and Arbaz." Shura added a heartfelt caption, "Alhamdulillah." For those who missed it, Shura Khan was admitted to PD Hinduja Hospital on 4th October, just days after an intimate baby shower. The celebration was attended by their inner circle, including Salman Khan and Arhan Khan. Arbaz and Shura had tied the knot earlier on 24th December 2023 in a private nikah ceremony at Arpita Khan Sharma's Mumbai home. Speaking about their wedding, Arbaz wrote on Instagram, "In the presence of our loved ones, me and mine begin a lifetime of love and togetherness from this day on. need all your blessings and good wishes on our special day. The ceremony was a close-knit affair, attended only by close friends and family. This marks Arbaz Khan embracing fatherhood again after nearly 20 years. He is already dad to 22-year-old Arhan Khan, his son from his earlier marriage to Malaika Arora. Despite their divorce, Arbaz and Malaika continue to maintain a cordial relationship and co-parent their son. With the arrival of baby Sipara Khan, Arbaz and Shura have begun an exciting new chapter as parents. Congratulations to the happy family on this beautiful addition. Desi girl Priyanka Chopra, a true globetrotter whose journey from Bareilly to Hollywood continues to amaze fans. And now, an old picture from her school days in the United States has taken the internet by storm. Priyanka moved to the US when she was young, pursuing higher studies long before she became a worldwide icon. Recently, a photo from those school days went viral online, and fans can't stop talking about her transformation. The picture, reportedly shared by someone who claims to be her former classmate, shows a teenage Priyanka sitting in class. She's wearing a striped jacket and a black top, looking almost unrecognizable compared to the star we know today. What grabbed even more attention was a comment under the viral post. It read, "We dated until she moved to Boston. She lived in presidential estates. Those were the days. That's actually my necklace in the picture." However, it's important to note that Zoom could not independently verify the authenticity of the comment. While fans continue to discuss this nostalgic moment, Priyanka is gearing up for something huge back home. Priyanka Chopra is all set to make her big comeback in India with S.S. Rajamouli's Varanasi, co-starring Mahesh Babu and Prithviraj Sukumaran. The makers recently released the first glimpse of this upcoming thriller, and the response has been overwhelming. Priyanka also spoke about the film and her experience working with the team. She said, "Working alongside these two legends of the Telugu and Malayalam industries and coming together for an S.S. Rajamouli film is already such a privilege. On top of that, we are promoting our movie with the international media almost a year ahead of its release." Seeing their reactions and the anticipation building is exciting to say the least. By God's grace, we will live up to your expectations. Jai Shri Ram, Hush Varanasi. Varanasi, earlier known as SSMB 29, is set to hit theaters in 2027. Until then, fans are enjoying this unexpected blast from Priyanka's past, a reminder of how far she has come.